Hello guys and welcome again. So it's been a few days since I took apart the Subaru engine. So right now we have the chain there, everything is marked. We're gonna start putting everything together. I have my head gasket that I picked up at AutoZone, and basically what we need to do now is resurface the heads. Okay, so we're gonna resurface the head, and the way I want to do it is gonna be homemade. So I picked up this tile from Home Depot. I had to pick up this grade 120 sandpaper. This is the one you guys will use to stick. So this one you peel it off and then it'll stick. It's my phone right there. We're gonna peel it. When you get the sandpaper, you want it to be when you get the tile, you want it to be the flattest one. So this one is not totally flat, so it won't stick pretty good. So make sure the tile is the one, the glossy one. And this will work, but it doesn't really stay very well. So we can make it work. Okay, now we're gonna do like an X. So we're gonna sand it this way. That. Okay, we're gonna do the other way. So you want to do this motion like this way. Okay, let's see. It's probably not the best spot. So you guys want to go this way and then this way. You want to do it for about 5 minutes. Okay, so we just started doing it. You also want to use the WD-40, and you want to spray this. Let's go grab some. 40. You won't spray. And then we're gonna keep doing it. Let's see if I set my phone here. Pain in the ass. Okay, I think it will be much better. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we're gonna keep doing it. Yes, I got some towels and clean this. I'm gonna remove all the aluminum of the sandpaper. So much better. We just gotta keep doing it so we get this sanded off, this part here. I don't see that it was warped, but you know, always resurface the heads. Maybe right there. Okay, just gonna keep doing it for a little bit more, and then we're gonna have this looking like new again. Let's see. Clean this off again. One more time. Okay. See all this aluminum? Let's get it out of there. Nice, so that's much better. So we got our new resurface heads. We might want to do it again, at least one more time. Let's clean this up really quick. Okay, so that should do the job. Okay, so now we're gonna remove that valve. So it's gonna be